Hello everyone. In Between Body and Dignity is a translated book of mine, which is a collection of poem by Alka Prakash ma'am, who is an assistant professor, Department of Hindi, Professor Rajendra Prasad, Raju Bhaiya University. Actually, this is a book which is a collection of 55 poems, and this was first published by her in Hindi as De aur Pragya ke Beech. This is an award winning book, and for this she has been awarded by the government of Uttar Pradesh, and she asked me to translate it into English so that it reaches wider audience. So this book is basically a book which can be called as a collection of feminist poem. So it is purely feminist collection of poem, because all the 55 poems are based on themes related with the existence of women. She has taken up various issues like the sati pratha, the Johar, or the acid attack, and how all the domestic violence, sexual violence, and all the other issues dealing with the lives of women in India. So the first poem is Women's Elegy, which is about the sad suffering of women in centuries. Then the second poem is Not Only Questions. So this poem is about the question which are being asked by women, or there are many questions which we women face in our daily life every day. So there are poems like Unmarried, Small Town Girl, In Between Body and Dignity, Bound to Compel, and also about the love of women, like I Have Chosen Love, Being in Love. And there is a poem about waiting, how women life is based on waiting since childhood till her death. Then there is a poem about love, which is titled as Love It the Charity. Then there are poem on mythical heroines like Sita. Then I Am a Woman, and she has also wrote about Nirbhaya incident. The poem is After 16 December, and she has also written about poem on corona ward, how women were facing life during the corona time. And there have been lots of poem based on different issues of women, like Kanya Dan, homeless, when will everything will be fine, everything is your being, and returning, little is fine, magnanimity. So this is a very good book, and this is a truly feminist book, because all the poems have been written by a woman on women issue, and it has also been translated by a woman. And both these two women, whether it is Alka Prakash or Dr. Shamanaz, both are feminist writer and activist. Thank you.